All right, so here we are. Well, today it's a serious day. It's a video making day. All right, I guess you can see that. All right, I'm so excited that we're almost towards the end. Of course, we've got like 3 more parts to talk about on the present simple tense. We're almost towards the end. So I really would like to, pat you on the shoulder, all right, or pat you on the back for a very good job of sticking with me up to this point. All the videos are in a series. They're joined together somehow, somewhat, where you can find them here on YouTube. You can find them on TikTok or on my Instagram channel. All right. And there we go. So with Canis English, and this is what we're going to talk about now in this video. We're going to talk about how you can ask questions using the present simple tense. All right. And this is the easiest. Now, when we ask questions using the present simple tense, we use helping verbs again. Just like the way we used the helping verbs when we were making negative sentences. In a previous video, we are going to use the same helping verbs, but the helping verb is going to be in a different position on the sentence or in the sentence. Are you ready? All right, here we go. So your helping verb, so whether it's do or it's does, is going to be at the beginning of the sentence. But the game changer here, it's going to be depending on the next pronoun that comes after your helping verb. So we're going to have do. After do, we're going to use either I, you, we, or they, right? If we have does, after does, we have to use he, she, or it. After these pronouns, our verb is also going to be the verb in its basic form. Nothing changes, nothing added on the verb. So let me ask you a question, or let me give you an example on how you can make these questions. All right? So let's begin. Do you speak English? All right. Do you speak English? So this is like a basic way. All right. Every time you go anywhere, you're going to find people asking you this kind of question. Do you speak English? Yeah, I do. All right. Can you help me with this map over here? I want to go there. I want to do this. I want to, so do you cook? Do you eat fast every time? Do you play volleyball? Do you play basketball with your friends every weekend? So do and the subject you, we, or they, and then we have our verb. And our answer is going to be yes, I do, or we're going to say no, I don't. So yes, I do play volleyball. Okay? Do you play volleyball with your friends every weekend? I say, no, I don't play volleyball with my friends. I play chess with my dad. Okay? Or I don't, or yes, I do play chess. Sorry, yes, I do play volleyball with my friends. So you're going to say, yes, I do, or no, I don't. When we use does here, then we follow it with he, she, it. And this is how it's going to be. Does she talk this much every time? You have a friend who talks a lot. She never shuts up. She just talks and bubbles every time, non-stop. So what's going to happen is going to say, does she talk this much every time? I'm going to say, yes, she does. Or, no, she doesn't. I think today she's just excited. She's probably excited to see her friend, or she's excited to see somebody else. No, she doesn't. Or yes, she does. Let's talk of a baby. The baby cries every day, and somebody comes in and is worried, like, does the baby cry this much every night? I say, no, the baby doesn't. It doesn't cry this much every day. I think she might, or it might have a stomach ache. I think maybe there's something wrong. Maybe it's, It has wet her pants or diapers. All right. So that's pretty much the reasons most of the times. It's either sick, hungry, or bored, or sometimes it's when the diapers are wet. Right. So with this, I am going to see you in the next video where I'm going to narrate a story. And then after the story, I would like you to tell me where a simple present tense has been used. And after the story, we're going to look at some of the exercises and see how best we can solve the exercises or practicing exercises using the present simple tense. It's going to be super easy and you're just going to love it. I can't wait to see you in the next one, and see you and cheers.